Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a plan with me for last week. I used this kit by My Perfect Plan on Etsy called Farmhouse. And the clip that you saw at the beginning was just an overview of the base. Here are the leftover stickers that I had after creating the base. I did want to set up the base off camera just to do a little bit of solo planning. So here I'm just putting in the rest of my work labels. I did put in some class labels to mark the online class that I'm working on. And then I'm just putting in work labels underneath to mark any YouTube things that I'll be doing. Up here at the top of Monday and Tuesday, those quarter boxes are just going to be used to mark in my cleaning tasks for the day. On Monday, I used a spray bottle from My Dear Stationery. That clean script is from Kinsey's Creations. The toilet icon is from Franny Lamb Stickers on Etsy. And I used the same clean script in a larger font on Tuesday. The pen that I'm using is my Pilot G2 in 0.5, I believe. Or, no, I think it's my Paper Mate Inkjoy, actually, in 0.5. Those online class scripts are from Sticky Essentials, and the little foil computer is from Murdoch Talks. The work script there is from Scribble Prints Co. I just worked on some things for the online professional development that I'm doing. I used a little thing and a script from Shop Jessica Hearts, as well as a teeny from Glen Planner, to mark in my workout for this week. Mondays are the days that I've chosen to do my weekly weigh-ins for Weight Watchers, so I marked that in. And then I used a little bow from the kit to mark uploading my plan with me that went up on Monday for the spread before this one. And then I used a yoga mat icon from Franny Lamb Stickers and some scripts from Murdoch Talks to mark in yoga for Monday evening. On Tuesday, that laptop is from Murdoch Talks, and that work script is from Scribble Prints Co. I use that to mark in some work for the professional development that I'm working on. And I put in a patterned fancy label with that planner icon from Planning Like a Pro, with my morning coffee script from Murdoch Talks. That was to mark that I did some planning and organizing for my day while I had my coffee this morning. I also had a little FaceTime chat with one of my students from last year and his mom. That FaceTime icon is from Once More with Love. I forgot that I did some meal prepping on Monday. My husband and I do get HelloFresh each week, so I was just getting ahead and meal prepping some of those recipes on Monday evening. The workout script on Tuesday is from Scribble Prints Co., and the teeny that I used as an icon for that is from Glam Planner. There, I'm just marking in that I tracked my self-care and reading this week. I also focused on yoga podcasts and self-care, me time type activities this week. On Wednesday, I did not do any cleaning. Normally this would have been the day that I did the floors, but I just wasn't feeling it this day, so I didn't clean. That script is from the Glam Planner Silver Foil Binder Bundle, and the icon is from the Coffee Monsters Co. from the Couch Potato Sheet. I used another Coffee Monsters Co. yoga emoji to mark a workout that I did this day. The workout script is from Scribble Prints Co. Those little glasses icon is from Glam Planner. I use that to mark in working on one of the micro courses for the professional development that I'm working on. That yoga girl is from Virgo and Paper. It's an older one. I use that to mark in the Zoom yoga that I've been working on. We meet on Zoom Monday through Saturday. So I've started marking that in at the end of most days, since our sessions usually happen towards the end of the day. That little working girl with her coffee and her laptop is from Fox and Pip. I use that to mark uploading my video for this day. And then I squeezed in a little fancy label between yoga and uploading to mark spending some time watching Netflix with my husband. I did wind up switching out that icon. It is from Wonton and a Million, but I just really didn't like how much red was in that icon as compared to the rest of the spread, which obviously has no bright colors or red in it, so I did switch out for a different Wonton and a Million icon in a little bit. I used a blue flag from the kit on Thursday. And I also overlaid that with a silver flag confetti overlay from Scribble Prints Co. That dishes script is from Kinsey's Creations. I used another Wonton and a Million icon to mark doing the dishes this day. I loaded and unloaded the dishwasher. That bleach bottle is from Franny Lamb Stickers. The wash sheets script is from Virgo and Paper. I wash our sheets on Thursdays. And then that appointment label I used to mark in another upload. The upload script is from Kinsey's Creations. The laptop is from Murdoch Talks. I'm using my Papermate Inkjoy to mark in that I uploaded my sort of tutorial video on on my pre-planning process. I got some questions from you all a while back about my pre-planning process. I explained it a little bit, but I just wanted to go more in depth on that process for you all. I thought it might be helpful. I used another yoga mat from Franny Lamb Stickers and Zoom and yoga scripts from Kinsey's Creations and Murdoch Talks to mark a Zoom yoga session that I had at the end of the day on Thursday. I also had my FaceTime weekly dinner with my mom on this day. That little eating emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. I'm using a half box from the kit on Friday and a headache kisma to mark the worst day this week. At 2 a.m. this morning, our fire alarm just went off. Our smoke alarms went off and just continued to go off intermittently, continuously for 14 hours. It was absolutely horrible. I'm marking a nope over my sleep in to mark that we got no sleep this night because our smoke alarms were going off. Our neighbors probably hate us now, but and the issue is that we have high ceilings in our house, so the smoke alarm is one of them is very high up towards the ceiling, so it's virtually impossible to get to turn it off or take the batteries out or whatever. So we actually had a very, very gracious family friend come and help us out. He was able to bring us a big ladder and help us solve the problem over the course of the day, pretty much. It was absolutely insane. It turned out that all that really needed to happen was that the batteries needed to be replaced in 2 of our smoke detectors. Why that means that they fully go off throughout the day, I don't know. I thought that when the batteries need to be replaced, they just kind of chirp. But this was not the case. It was absolutely horrible. So that took up a good chunk of the day, so I wanted to mark it with a half box. I did manage to get 2 videos filmed this day. I don't know how I did that, but I did manage to get 2 videos filmed with all that going on, and they will be up later this week. I used a filming teenie on Saturday with a fancy label to mark some filming and editing that I did. Some more filming. I filmed part of a haul that will hopefully be going up this week or next week. Then I used a glitter quarter box from the glitter sampler from the kit to mark ordering groceries and receiving our grocery delivery. That teeny little couple cuddling is from Fox and Pip. I use that to mark spending some time watching Parks and Rec this day. My husband and I are working our way through that now. Then I pulled in a fancy label with a cramping teeny to mark that this was a bad period day for me. That script is from Letters to Apollo. And then I pulled in a nude colored appointment label to mark that yoga was a little bit earlier in the day this day. We did a fun exercise where we just sat together on Zoom and laughed for 5 minutes. which was unexpected and a really wonderful experience. So I cried a little bit, so that's why I put that little emoji head in there. And my husband and I ordered takeout burgers this day. So I marked that in with a little burger from the Coffee Monsters Co. as well as a takeout script. On Sunday, I pulled in another glitter quarter box, a morning coffee script from Murdoch Talks, and a reading icon from Once More with Love to mark that I read my book this morning while drinking my coffee. I'm slowly making my way through The Silkworm by Robert Galbraith, the second in the Cormoran Strike series. I've talked about them before on my channel. I'm still working my way through them. I helped my husband with some meal prep this day. That icon is from Crafts by Tally, and the meal prep script is from Scribble Prints Co. I pulled in a small appointment label and the FaceTime icon from Once More with Love. The script is from Murdoch Talks to mark our little weekly FaceTime phone call lunch with my mom. I pulled in a light blue little thing to mark watching Parks and Rec. I did go into my my collection to pull out some more neutral Netflix TV type icons. And I figured that I would save the 1 million ones for brighter spreads. This was a big day. I hit 50 subscribers on this channel, so I did mark that in pretty big. Thank you all so much for sticking with me and supporting me and watching my videos, subscribing, liking, commenting, engaging on my posts on Instagram and all that. It's really been wonderful. It's been a lot of work, but it's been great, and I really appreciate it. And I look forward to continuing to make content for you all and continuing to grow my skills. It's been a really nice new challenge for me. Before I started this, I had little to no experience with editing or filming, and I never thought I would put myself on camera, or I never thought that I would get as good feedback as I have. So I really appreciate it. You all are just very kind, and I couldn't have asked for a better first couple of months on YouTube. Thank you so much, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.